back there?
Good.
All right, we're gonna try payload real quick. Stay back here.
Yeah, good. Left side's good. Rudder good. Stabilizer good.
MSL.
See again.
3,392 feet MSL.
What are you guys using?
We already have 2 set up over there.
Yeah, we're gonna go down here.
You didn't injure yourself or anything, did you? Wasn't like leg one.
This year is a big year. This year's a good year? 4 year.
Pretty excited about getting certified.
Drone facing target, good bit, won by Apers, 4-meter hob, 90-second SST. Go for VTX check. Green, 90 seconds, 4-meter hob.
Roger. Retreating bunker.
Retreating bunker.
Attaching bunker.
Attaching bunker. Attention check.
And Roger. Yeah, I'm waiting till all the instructions.
Green. Green. 90 second.
Probably a good idea.
4 meter. One, two, three.
Don't confuse them. Only team lead's talking now.
Shot.
Shot. What distance are you at? 1.8 right now, sir.
Hey, you can't.
Yeah, I remember because it's splash!